I'll just show you how to stream audio from your telephone through the Bluetooth audio system in the BMW. If you go to your iTunes, if you just look at the bottom here, you can see BMW showing up there, so you know it will play through the system straight away. However, just click the red triangle with the 3 red circles if it's not showing, and just make sure there's a tick next to it. Now, if there's not a tick, you can go into the system and make sure that it's your telephone that's providing the Bluetooth signal. So that's that. If I click there, it'll be playing when I go to, now CD on the left, it's multimedia, so you go top left CD, click across, it's showing a tick next to CD. Now if you scroll down, you would think you'd need to go to Bluetooth audio, but you have to go to external devices. Click on external device, Barry's iPhone 10, that's showing now. So really good sound system in here.